In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a hot link in Gmail. Let's dive into the digital world of email communication, where making your emails not only informative but also interactive can significantly enhance the reader's experience. One way to achieve this is by embedding hot links directly into your Gmail messages. These links can direct your readers to additional resources, websites, or any online content you wish to share, making your communication more dynamic and resourceful. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Gmail account, navigate your web browser to Gmail, and make sure you're logged in. Once you're looking at the familiar site of your inbox filled with unread messages, promotions, and maybe a couple of important emails, it's time to create a new message. You'll do this by clicking on the Compose button, prominently located, likely on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking this button opens up a new email window, a blank canvas for your message. Now here comes the part where we start adding some interactivity to our email. In the new message window, you'll notice a series of icons at the bottom. Look for the one that resembles a link chain situated next to the attachment clip symbol. This is the Insert Link button, your gateway to adding hyperlinks to your email. Before clicking on that button, type out the text in your email that you want to transform into a clickable link. This could be anything like click here for more information or visit our website. It's this text that will become interactive, leading your readers directly to the online destination you choose. Once you've typed out your text, highlight it with your cursor. This tells Gmail exactly which part of your email you want to turn into a link. With your text highlighted, click on the Insert Link icon. A small dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter or paste the URL you wish to link to. This is where you copy and paste the web address of the desired online destination. Ensure you've got the entire URL, from the HTTPS at the beginning to the last character. Accuracy is key to making sure your readers land exactly where you want them to. After pasting the link into the provided field, there's just one step left. You'll see an Apply button within the dialog box. By clicking this, you finalize embedding the hyperlink into your text, and just like that, the phrase you've chosen transforms into an interactive hot link, visually distinguished by a change in text color and an underline. It's now a bridge from your email to the online world, ready to be clicked by your eager readers. Before you hit send, take a moment to review your email. Ensure your link works by clicking on it yourself. Gmail should open the link in a new tab, taking you directly to the website you've linked. It's always better to catch any mistakes now, rather than after your email has been sent. And there you have it. You've successfully added a hot link to your Gmail, turning a simple email into an interactive experience for your recipients. With this skill in your digital communication toolkit, you can make your emails more engaging, resourceful, and effective. Remember, adding links to your emails can not only provide additional information, but also encourage engagement and interaction from your audience. Whether you're directing readers to your latest blog post, a helpful resource, or an online portfolio, hot links can optimize your email communication, making it an asset in your professional and personal correspondence. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Go ahead and start making your emails more impactful with the power of hot links. Until next time, keep exploring the vast possibilities of digital communication.